drive, which is expected with the suspension, but you know.
Okay. You just got
can't
me.
go wrong with this or the two-door coupe or S-Class. It's hard.
I like the mouse pad on this. Whoa, it's loud. You got little train brakes.
Yeah, when it rains, sometimes those brakes, performance brakes, do get a little squeaky.
You got the performance brakes. You got the my Camaro used to do that a lot. The Brembos.
Yeah.
And you can put down the spoiler manually, right? Like this.
It should go down.
That's cool.
We're gonna hold it down. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, now it's out. Nice. Alrighty.
That's my customer right there. Class.
Can they fix those brakes? Is that like a... What is that?
Typically, I hear the squeaking with these AMGs, especially being in the rain. So when they certify a car, they literally check, you know, brakes, tires, make sure there's a certain thread or tread level.
Oh, it's got a little turbo spool. That's crazy. This is kind of more fun. Way more fun than the S-Class. I'll tell you that much. It's popping. Does he have an exhaust on it?
This one, yeah, it comes with that. So this one has soft closed doors.
It's got little burbles to it. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's why I always tell people best of both worlds. Can save on some, you know.
On some bread.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, man. I see you. I see you. This is dope.
It should be
I'm just trying to... I see.
Yeah, I wasn't small enough.
Oh, the burbles are so nice. This one's gonna get me in trouble. I love the little burbles.
Yeah, I would recommend making going right.
Where? Here?
North. Yeah.
Right here?
When you have a chance. You don't have to turn at this light,
okay.
but yeah, like in about a quarter of a mile.
Okay, cool.
Because usually coming back, how we got in traffic the other day.
So in the coupe version of this, is there an option where I can get the steering wheel? Or is not?
I have to look. I haven't built one yet. It's a possibility, I would think.
Nice. The engine sounds crazy in this car. Bro, that's insane. So you got the sport suspension, all that good stuff right here. So this is a little bit more different than I was expecting. So you keep going straight?
Yeah, we're going to follow that Santa Cruz.
Got you.
Sound like a city, not a...
It is a city.
not a car.
It is.
Yeah, Cali. You ever lived out of Florida?
No. Actually, I've lived in Florida my whole life.
Okay, nice.
Have you?
I'm born and raised here, never left.
There's no really reason.
35 years.
There's really no reason to go anywhere.
Yeah, almost attempted to move to Boston for... I didn't even have like an opportunity there just to get away from here, but never did.
Oh, those pops, bro.
Yes, sir.
my god, if you put an exhaust on this
Oh
thing.
yeah, it's gonna go crazy. Taking a Rentec, letting them put some
That's
more
crazy.
horsepower on
This is nice. I'm digging this. I like this. The interior of the coupe version is still more of my flavor,
it. Yeah, it's more.
but this is still really cool. These pops are so crazy.
So we're usually good between here and about a half a mile.
Mhm.
There's like a stop where cops usually be at.
Really?
Mm-hmm. So
Oh.
we're usually good between here and it's like an overpass you'll see.
Oh, okay.
And then once you're past that spot where the cops be, you can hit it again.
Okay, then let me know.
Yeah, yeah. I'll let you know.
I'm not from around this area.
So you can hit it now if you want. It's just when you get to that overpass up there, that's when you want to slow down a little bit.
Yeah. So fast.
Dad gonna want this one, or y'all can switch every now and then.
He's cool in the S. He
Yeah,
loves the
yeah.
S. That's him. This is for me now. I want the AMG GT over the Porsche and all the other competitors. I like this the best, for sure.
I sold a couple Porsches in one day.
Yeah?
It's like one of my friends. I sold him like 3 different Porsches, 2 Porsche Panameras, and then he finally bought the, is it the Taycan? Yeah.
What's the speed limit here?
You can hit it here now. We passed the spot where
Oh, where
cops
you usually
be at.
are? Oh,
The
okay.
speed limit's like 65, 70.
Oh, okay, I'm just cruising. I'm good.
Yeah.
I already felt how fast it is.
Ventilated seats, speakers are good.
Oh yeah, bro, this is solid.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
We're always looking for them and trying to keep them. Keep our inventory replenished.
Oh man, this would have been cool to take to the gym.
It's really not something we do all the time.
I know, I know.
So, Alex, I kind of had figured.
This way?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, you were saying what?
Yeah. I just kind of fit because Alex, he's my cooler manager I like to go to and get my deals and stuff.
Yeah.
He's just easier to work with, but
Yeah.
you know, he's been here the longest.
Yeah.
Out of everybody, even managers. So.
Sure, I got you. They go right?
Yep, right, and then we'll go down and make a right on 103rd, about a mile and a half.
You get paid on test drives, right?
Heck no.
What?
See,
They
that
have
shows me
to.
a lot of people don't know how we get paid.
What the? What do you
We do
mean?
not get paid until literally somebody signs that contract.
Wait, what?
I don't get paid until I could go 4 days without.
They don't even give you like hourly?
Heck no. It's 100% commission.
Holy shit.
Nah, bruh. You can go a week without a sale and you just sitting there like.
But is their commission high though?
You do get a flat. You do get a flat for this car. I can easily sell it and get $200 for it.
Okay.
Yeah, so you get 200 as a minimum.
Okay.
For a car.
Okay.
And so yeah.
That's kind of ruthless, bro.
We talk about that us and the other sales. We're like, you know, I don't think
That's
people
kind of
know how we get paid.
And then if you get a car sold, it's like a
bonus, like an
bonus.
extra. Nah.
That's fucking ruthless,
So
bro.
you get paid on the gross of a car. So say this car been marked down 4 times. It's at, you know, it's at like right where we bought it at for. That's basically gonna be a $200. I seen people sell Bentleys. A dude sold did he sell that Ferrari? He sold a Ferrari Hennessy. This is like a what was it? I can't think of the name, but it was like crazy car. A football player, old football player, Gronkowski.
Yeah, Rob Gronkowski.
Yeah, I can't even say the name, Gronkowski.
Yeah.
He traded in a Ferrari.
F12?
Yeah, Hennessy, 800 horsepower.
Wait, Mercedes Benz the Ferrari F12.
Yeah, Hennessy. So Hennessy tuned it up to about 800.
Did you guys sell that car? It was white, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You sold it?
Yeah, we sold that. I didn't sell it. One of our other guys. But what I was going to, and you want to make it right at this planning. Where I was going, the guy who sold that made a mini, as we call it, $200, and that's before tax.
That's so bad.
Crazy,
bro.
Exactly.
I'm not even trying to like hate on the dealership, but they're really nice. But oh my god, really? No, I thought there was like, I thought you guys get like 2,000 at least.
Nah. That's what my parents' neighbor thought. Because I was telling him
Because you're a
okay,
Benz.
I was telling him about that new S-Class I sold. He was like, how much you got paid?
That's
And
robbery,
I gave him
bro.
Estimate. He was like, what?
That's robbery, bro.
Like 15,000 for that
That's
car?
so bad, bro. That's robbery. And you guys are great sales reps too.
Yeah.
So
No,
I mean,
it is rewarding. You can make a paycheck out of it.
if you sell like 5 cars,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
How many people are gonna buy a $140,000 car? Let's be real. It's just not every day, right?
And again, 200 times 5, you're not getting paid nothing unless they get some stuff on the back end.
So the managers get all the money then?
They get like a flat fee plus a little percentage, just a very small percentage.
Okay. That's awesome. I mean, that's not awesome, but I mean, it's working if it's working for you.
Yeah, I like it. You know,
You
it's
get to be around nice
rewarding
cars.
career for me. You know, I like the interaction.
You're really
with
good at it.
customers.
You're good at it.
Yeah,
You've got the
thank you.
S-Class sold, and then, I mean, I just, you know, I think they should give you a little bit more, in my opinion. But if you're not getting paid, then who gives a shit? Like, you know, I might as well just take you to the gym. We just pull up and we go to Planet or something, and then we just
I need to work out.
extended test drive. They wouldn't let you do that if I took you with me.
Oh
on the test
nah,
drive?
I don't got. You never know who's gonna walk in for you. Like today, I had.
Oh yeah, how many people walk in for you? Like
Today, I had one of my customers. She was getting service, and her friend came. That's who drove our GT.
Oh yeah.
And then I just had another half deal that went down.
What's a half deal?
So if say I had to leave,
Yeah.
and you're about to buy this car, but something just happened where I had to get up out of here.
Yeah.
Another salesman like Alex, who you were talking to, would jump in and he'll do the rest. And
is he the
I'll get
manager?
half a deal.
No, he's a sales rep.
Alex, he's our newest guy. He's our newest salesman.
Oh yeah, he's cool. He's cool.
He's a cool guy.
We should pull it to B&W in this,
I've
and
been
just
there plenty of times.
pull it to B&W in this.
Oh, we do it all. I wowed a customer.
From B&W and bring him to Benz.
I did this. I knew the customer liked me, and they didn't want me to bring the car over there to compare it. But the wife didn't want me to. You could go either way.
I just want to see the S-Class. And she what?
The wife didn't want me to bring it over there to compare it side by side. She thought it would be rude to the sales rep. The husband was like, man, that would be great. She would love that if you did that. She just feels bad for the other salesman or something.
That's so funny.
And so I surprised, boom, pulled up, put it side by side. And the other salesman was cool. We were chatting it up. He was like, hey,
for real,
both of our cars are good. You know, we know it happens all the time with each other. So.
Woo. That's nice, Drew. I like it, man. It's popping. Got that little mini burble to it. Can I go through here?
Yeah. This is our new car lot. We could even, if there might not be parking over here.
I'm just trying to see what the S-Class is
right or
like.
left, either way.
No, like I'm purposely going in here to see what the S-Classes look like. The new ones. That's what we got going
Put the
on.
black and silver one by each other.
Is that a blue one?
It's just like the GT.
It's not an S though.
It's silver. Yeah, right. That's a silver C. I mean S. So,
That black S is clean. I like that one. All right, man. Well, this was cool. This was a fun drive. I mean, not bad. I'm a coupe guy. Are we about to get stuck?
That's what I'm saying. They got this thing jam packed.
Oh, maybe I'll pull it back. What the? Oops. Alright, what can we do? If, like, let's say I like this one, for an example.
That
black one's tough.
Just from what I hear from the mechanics, we can have him double check it, our pre-owned salesperson.
Okay.
He'll take a test drive in it.
Okay.
But that's one thing just with the performance brakes I always hear. Yeah. I could be wrong, and we'll get it.
Do you know what manufacturer it is? Brembo? Is it Brembo?
Most likely it's the AMG. I gotta see what color they are actually. Silver, yellow, or red.